Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to add a link to your Google Docs document. So what do? Go ahead and find wherever in your document you want to create a link, and I've put the word Google Docs here. So let's say I want to create a link to this specific document, and this can be for whatever, right? It can be for YouTube, it can be for whatever. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and find where you want to start, and you want to go ahead and click on insert, and from here you want to go down to link. You will see a document, you'll see a window appear, and from here what's going to happen is that if you highlight a word, it's going to appear like this, and you can go ahead and paste a link to that document, right? So you can simply go ahead and create a link. So I'm going to copy this link here, and I'm going to simply paste this link here at the top, and as you can see, it even detects the document itself. So I can click on that, and it will automatically create a link to this document. Let's try something else. So let's say I would like to create a link for YouTube, and there's no text about YouTube in my document. Do the same. Go to insert, go down to where you type link, click on that, and you will see it comes up without any information, right? So you can simply create a text. So I can type in the word YouTube there, and I can create my link or add my link. So I can type in, for example, www.youtube.com, right? And you will see that it even searches the web for YouTube, and I can click on that. Now as you can see, it creates a link for YouTube, and that's it, guys. I can click on this link, and you will see that it basically brings up YouTube, and I can click on that, and it's going to go directly to YouTube. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and add links in your Google Docs document.